The Apple MacBook Air with M1 chip is a powerful and versatile laptop that is perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who wants a great all-around computer. It is powered by the new M1 chip, which Apple claims is up to 3.5 times faster than the previous generation of MacBook Airs. The M1 chip also makes the MacBook Air much more efficient, with up to 18 hours of battery life. The MacBook Air has a 13.3-inch Retina display with a resolution of 2560 x 1600 pixels. The display is bright, sharp, and vibrant, and it is perfect for watching movies, browsing the web, or editing photos. The MacBook Air also has a backlit keyboard and a Force Touch trackpad. It also has two Thunderbolt, USB 4 ports, and a headphone jack. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Apple MacBook Air with M1 chip. Pros: powerful M1 chip, long battery life, beautiful Retina display. Backlit keyboard, Force Touch trackpad, Thunderbolt, USB 4 ports. Cons: no SD card reader, no touch bar, no dedicated graphics card. Overall, the Apple MacBook Air with M1 chip is a great laptop that offers a lot of value for the price. It is a powerful and portable computer that is perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who wants a great all-around computer. If you're looking for a laptop with a powerful processor, long battery life, and a beautiful display, then the Apple MacBook Air with M1 chip is a great option. However, if you need a laptop with an SD card reader, a touch bar, or a dedicated graphics card, then you may want to consider other options.